premier makeup artist at fashion stylist sa Dubai na si Ana Bellol ay umuupit na ng pangalan sa industriya. Patumayon sa mga kababaihan sa Dubai ang kanyang Woman by Ana Makeup Brushes. Balitang Okto ni Maha Morales.
Kabilang ng mga makeup styling workshop ni Ana Bellol sa Dubai. Isa siya sa sikat na makeup artist at fashion stylist na in demand sa magazine editorials at pinagkakakiwalaan ng mga brides sa kanilang wedding day.
I've been doing makeup since '96. I started in the Philippines. I started with a brand called Central Maquillage, which was owned by Raul Francisco. He used to be the former premier makeup artist of Chanel in New York.
Popular ngayon sa Dubai ang kanyang Woman by Ana Makeup Brushes.
I thought that, you know what, let's come up with a 15 basic brush set that any woman would need or any starting makeup would need. That is amazing, quality materials, but price point would be very affordable for everyone. So we launched Woman by Ana brushes, combination of goat hair and premium tackton brushes.
At kahit nagtatagumpay na siya sa larangang pinasok, tinuturo pa rin niya ang kanyang nalalaman para lumabas ang natural na kagandahan ng mga Pinay sa tamang pag-makeup.
Just makeup, really. Have fun with it. At the end of the day, if it doesn't work, you can wash your face and start again. So don't be intimidated. And the reason why makeup artists like myself are here is because we want to educate.
Isa sa workshop participants, si May Petiera, na sa edad na 35, ay ngayon palang naengganong maglagay ng makeup.
I'm a mother and I'm an artist, but I never really got around to putting makeup on my face at the age of 35. So basically, I attended Ana Bellol's workshop so I could learn how to properly beautify myself and also, most importantly, the skincare.
Ang iba na may gustong matuto ng iba pang makeup techniques.
Marunong ka mag-makeup, but then I want to know the tricks and tips kung paano ko pa ma-improve yung talent ko sa makeup. I came here to learn more. I know very basic things about makeup, but having been here for the past 3 hours now, I'm fascinated with how much learning I get to learn today.
Umaasa si Ana na maging inspirasyon sa iba pang Pilipina ang mga workshop gaya nito. Nagpapalita sa Middle East, Maha Morales, Dubai, United Arab Emirates.
At dito po nagtatapos ang isa na ng edisyon ng mga balik at serbisyo para po sa mga kababayan natin sa gitna sila.